Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in the case that you suspect that someone has access to your computer, okay? some unknown person, okay? But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. The very first thing to do is unplug the computer from the internet, okay? So you're gonna disconnect the computer. You can go to the next to your watch into the bottom right corner of your screen, go to the connection and disconnect, turn off Wi-Fi and turn off connections, remove the cable in the case you are using cables, okay? Then go to your keyboard and hold the Windows tab plus R to find the run menu, this guy right here, okay? Or you can go to the initialize panel and right here search for run, just like this. Once on run, we're gonna type this command right here, nedplwiz, okay? If you see anyone that isn't you right here, you can click on remove, okay, to remove access from this person. Then you can hold the OK button. This is one of the most important parts, okay? So you must know the email and the person right here, okay? And if it isn't only you, you can remove the access. What else you can do? Go to our start panel and search for remote, just like this. Click into remote desktop settings and make sure you have off into this option right here, remote desktop off. What else? Remote desktop users, click into this icon and you can remove users from here in the case that you do not want to let other users this access. Then, still on this panel, review the left sidebar of menus. Next to personalization, go to apps and installed apps. Right here, make sure that you don't have apps like TeamViewer, for example, that can let people to access your computer, okay? So, remove those apps. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!